Professor de Mora, the Biosimilar Medicines Group has organized an industry satellite symposium on biosimilar medicines in the context of 2017 ESMO Congress. Now my first question is, what is a biosimilar medicine, or simply, what is a biosimilar?
Okay, well, a biosimilar is a biological medicine that bears in essence the same active substance as an original reference product, and that is given at the same dose, via the same route, and for the same indications. Therefore, we can say that biosimilar medicine is in essence the same as the original reference product.
So what are the take-home messages of this symposium?
So I would say there are four main messages that the audience should have taken home. The first is that regulators have had a long-lasting experience in comparing biologics and extrapolating data. So the comparability concept and the extrapolation concept are not new. Indeed, biologics are frequently subject to manufacturing changes. And the versions before the manufacturing change occurs and after the manufacturing change occurs need to be compared to make sure that the efficacy and the safety remain the same. So, after so many decades of experience with comparing biologics, I think regulators are very well trained in assessing the impact in the clinics of the changes in the molecular attributes. So I think the second key message is that the most sensitive studies to pick up minor differences, even clinically irrelevant differences, are the quality studies. That is the comparison of the physicochemical attributes, the structure of both products, and also the comparison of the functional or the biological activity of both products. Therefore, the key trials or the key studies to demonstrate biosimilarity are not the clinical trials. And this is very important. Clinical trials for a biosimilar candidate are just confirmatory. As a third key message, I would say that since the objective for a biosimilar clinical trial is to confirm high similarity in efficacy and safety, and not to demonstrate safety and efficacy per se, the design of a clinical trial may be different from the design of the original biological medicinal product. As a final take-home message, I would say that after more than 10 years of clinical experience with biosimilars in the European market, the access of patients to high-quality biologics therapy has sharply increased, notably in supportive cancer care. And I would say that in some countries, it has rocketed. Now, the other idea is that innovation is essential for cancer patients. And biosimilars will certainly contribute to foster that innovation.